Everyone knows that drinking is great for your body, but very few know how much and when it is fair to do so. Hi, we are Fabrizio and Valentina, industrial designers and explorers. Our mission is to help people live a healthier lifestyle, creating design objects which are not disposable, but last forever. As travelers, we've encountered too much plastic in our ways. As designers, we wondered how to dissociate the word water from the word plastic. With Idra, we finally did it. Nico drinks bottled water and produces 480 plastic bottles per year. Marco fills up his steel bottle with filtered water. Why are you still using plastic? Anna drinks using Idra, resulting in 0 plastic waste per year. So how does Idra work? Idra is simply easy to use. Fill your Idra, get a glass of pure water served, 1 drop per second, 1 glass per hour. Reminding yourself to drink water is no longer a problem. Reach your daily goal or improve it. We came up with Glazylite, the material of which our innovative ceramic filter is composed. Thanks to silver-ion technology and minerals in it, Glazylite is able to filter and remove more than 99% of harmful substances. Glazylite Pearl has optimal performance in removing 99% of chlorine in only 0.8 seconds. And last but not least, we've weeded out plastic completely. Idra was born from sand, rock and clay. Premium glass, created by the magic breath of expert craftsmen. An elegant ring to help you reach your daily goal. Matte pearly white glazed. Unibody aluminum lid. Idra is your personal water bottle. Take it wherever you go. Stay hydrated to perform at top level. Help us bring Idra to life. It's time to drink. It's time to join us.